ain't gonna change now.
So how are you guys? Today we will know about the Light Night preset. Friends, I will show you how we can focus the dark image in the light. Friends, I have selected so many images as an exam, and now I will show you what is the setting with which you can turn a night into a light. So friends, I select this image, you will select it from your mind. So friends, you will be able to see how much darkness is there in this image. Friends, first you have to go to the light option. After you come in the light option, you do not have to do anything simple, you will be looking at the top of it. Curve option is to click on it, you just do nothing else. Now friends, after seeing the curve option, you will see many options. Friends, you have to just click on the option you see at the bottom, ignore them all. After you click friends, some such interface will come in front of you on the image, you just have to do what I am doing. So guys, I will do as I am doing, if you can take a screenshot by pause the video. After this, friends, a line like 3 buttons will come under it, so it will do the same as I am doing. See how the guy's light is adjusted. Okay guys, our light night has been preset ready, so now we copy and see if the other images also apply. as if you saw friends. This is what you liked in today's video, then like, share, subscribe to the channel, to get new and amazing content. Let's go to the next such banged video. Goodbye, and enjoy your lovely day.